What's up, YouTube? Today we are trying to fix a seat. Okay, this is from the 98 XCR 440 I recently picked up, and the seat shredded. Well, I went ahead and I ordered a seat cover from Scotty's Sled Shed, and this is really nice. They even put foam in the side pads. The cover just looks amazing. Super nice. They put the little clips on there, and also Velcro. So this is really well done. Everything about the seat cover aesthetically just looks awesome. So really impressed with the work they did, and it was pretty cheap. I mean, I always heard about Scotty Sled Shed on the Facebook groups and stuff, so I went ahead, got on eBay, and I ordered one. With shipping, it was like $170 or $180. That's not bad. This exact cover is their, I don't know, they labeled it black smooth. But I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna start taking this other seat apart. So I went through, pretty much got one side all popped up. You can see all the staples. There's a lot. So you got to be really careful doing this, because I use a flathead screwdriver. I get underneath them and pop them, but you don't want to slide cut yourself, because nobody wants to be cut by super gnarly rusty metal. So yeah, that's pretty much that. And then I don't know if these ones will work, but normally I'll just grab some pliers, and either they'll break off flush if they're really rusty, or you can get the whole staple. Oh, these pliers suck. Get the whole staple out like that. You gotta go through, do every single staple all the way around it. So it takes some time, but we're making progress. All right, once you got all the staples out, there's a little piece in the trunk you gotta turn and slide in, and you just go ahead and pull it right on through the seat, just like that. There should be two, so there's the other one. So you pretty much just grab it, pull it, turn it 90 degrees so it'll fit through the hole. I know you guys can't see it, but it pulls right on through. So one minor problem, there's only one of these straps here at the back. Originally there would be two. Really wouldn't be that big a deal, whatever, just pull through one side. But this is also much shorter. So, I mean, I don't know. Let's see if I can get this much further down. I don't know. I'm going to keep trying, but I don't think I can get this all the way through into the trunk. Alright guys, so we're in here. A room you guys probably haven't seen in a while in my house. This is the sewing room, which pretty much goes unused, except for like the one time I tried to make a seat cover and it went horribly. You would ask me, you smell that food, huh? Oh, dog food in here. And there's the old seat for XC700 project. I still got to do a couple of finishing touches on that, but I'm going to clean up in here a little bit, and we're going to fix, not really fix, but correct the little issue I have with the seat cover. So what I did was I went ahead and I cut off these two straps from the old seat cover, and all I'm going to do is pretty much put them on here, one like this and one like this, so that'll give me a little extra length, and it'll aim them off to the sides like they should be for my seat. I did talk to them. They said, like, no problem, send it back, we'll change it up for you, because some seats actually are like this, I guess, where they just have the one. But I know the seat on my 98 XCR 440, I believe, is from a 99 XCSP, and actually I'm kind of curious now what style what style this is, because this the base to this 700 seat is actually from a 97 XC 600 triple, and I had this seat cover custom made, and it's a beautiful seat cover, but I just haven't gotten around to putting it on there. I'm curious. This one actually has 3 slots there, so it could go either way with the dual or the single. I don't, you guys won't be able to see in there, but there's 3 spots that those straps could actually go through on this seat. So it's not a big deal. It's going to take me all of 5 minutes to fix it. So I didn't want to ship it back and then wait to have another one shipped to me. And it's not a dig to them at all. That's a beautiful seat, and they did do it correctly, just not for the base I had. So yeah, here we go. See if I can figure out how to make something can work again. But I feel like this is freaking rocket science. It shouldn't be this complicated, but I'm struggling. Yeah, that actually kind of worked. Try this again. Why are you beeping at me? Why'd it break my string again? Oh. Well, she sure bound up that time. Needle stuck down. Alright, 4 tries later, I think we got it. I got them through the foam. Now, my trick to pulling them into the trunk, I just take one long piece of wire, one end to one of the clips that lock it into the trunk. The other end goes to the other piece. Set it down, pull the wire. Might have to play with it a little bit to get those to go through the actual groove, but should be able to get it, no problem. Alright. The old wire trick worked perfect. Got all that pulled through, so I did have to push real hard, compress the foam, so I know it's going to hold it nice and tight. Now we get to start stretching it out and putting staples in it. I just love seat covers. I like how they look afterwards. I don't like putting them on though. Alright, so here we go. We're stapling it on. I already got started, and I'm just stretching the material, making sure I'm not getting any big wrinkles, and then stapling it down. What I'm using is just a Stanley electric stapler. It works. It gets the job done. So, yeah, just kind of trying to tackle this thing and get as much done as I can. Get a quick little shot here for you guys. Got the GoPro balanced on the kill switch on the sled, so. Oh, of course, turn the camera on. They come unplugged. All right. Oops, I actually hit a rivet on that one. You always have to make sure you're not getting any big creases, because as you're working your way down, you might have to move around a little bit and pull somewhere else to try to keep any wrinkles from forming in the side. Alrighty. I don't even know if you guys can see this, but here, I'll spin it around. It's a lot of fun. Insert sarcasm here. So you're just going to roll the cover over the tail light. That's pretty much the way it's done. And then after that, you can, oh no, I got a little bit of staple stubby sticking out of the tail light. Basically, you're going to stretch this over your tail light, and you're going to staple all the way around the tail light housing. and then you're going to cut it out. You're just going to cut the material on the inside of the staples. So I'm just going to take this corner, fold it over on itself, push it down in, take my staple gun. Oh no, did I really? Oh, got it. I am coming unplugged again. This spot, you want to put a few staples though. Alrighty. Alrighty. Razor blade. So I'm gonna do this just like the factory one was. Cut here. And cut here. It's this piece. Just pull tight. Have a buttload of staples in it. The rest of these little pieces are tucked underneath the plastic. Razor blade stuck in there though. Pull the tail light wiring out. That's stuck under there forever. Actually, that's supposed to come out of this hole. Whatever, it'll all work out. Over there. This stuff under here. Pulling like hell. Keep this tight. Camera down. Alright. So, this thing is coming out great. Looks really, really nice. I don't have any bad wrinkles anywhere. I like it. Last thing I really got to do is cut out my taillight lens. So I'm going to go ahead and get that knocked out real quick. Had dust off the little XCR 440. It's been snowing. It's still kind of snowing a little bit, but finished product. I know, I'm sorry, it's dark. I'll turn the light on. Finished product. I'm super, super happy with how this turned out. Good looking seat covers by Scotty Sled Shed. Huge props to them for making such a nice product for these older sleds. And the whole strap thing, that wasn't on them. I didn't specify which one I had when I ordered. I just told them I wanted the same one that's in the picture. So yeah, that's not on them at all. That was kind of my goof up. I wasn't aware that there were two different types of straps, so that's on me. And it's nice. I'm really, really digging it. So that is step one of making the clapped out piece of crap 98 XCR 440 look much, much better. But the dogs are excited. That's my borrowed dog. It's not really mine. that I'm done working on sleds. So time to go hang out with the pups.